Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can look for servers on Discord. So go to Discover, and here's where you can find servers. So these ones are more likely like community servers for like games. It is a little bit harder to, I guess, communicate with people here or find friends here. Maybe you're able to, but I'm able to find friends more in like smaller servers where there's less people. You can find gaming servers here, music, entertainment, science and tech, education, and this is like if you have one at your school. I guess. Oh, they're run by students, I guess. But here you can also search for servers. So for instance, you want to join like a Valorant server, you're just going to type in Valorant. There's more there maybe have like less people. For instance, where you're from, here you can join the server. Again, maybe there's like other like smaller servers. Just look at how many members there are on it. Again, it is a little bit difficult to, I guess, find friends when there's so many servers, but these are more like community public ones. I guess these ones don't have that much. Well, it's still a lot. Like 7,000 is still a lot. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.